Can you imagine I made this bangle at home just by using plastic bottle and some very simple materials? Come, let me show you what you have to do. You have to take a plastic bottle, a cloth like this, and scissor, as well as glue and a lining or a string to cover the sides of the bangle. So I'll cut off this much portion of the plastic bottle because that's the size I want for my bangle. Depends upon y'all how big or small y'all want it to be. See if it fits your wrist nicely. After that, just cut off the sides of it so that the sharp edges might not poke you. And then you will take a material like this. So basically, when you give sari blouse for stitching, you get the end of it, especially the Banarasi sari. They look very pretty, the ends, the border of it. So if you have something like that, or you can get something like that, try using that. It gives a beautiful look for the bangle. So just check how much length you need. Take a little bit extra only, and then cut off the required portion. That's it. Thereafter, just remove off the uneven edges that you see in that material like this. Once that is done, you'll have to go on with the process of sticking. So to spread the glue, you can either use a paintbrush or use your finger, which is the best I feel, and then bit by bit stick the cloth along the side of that plastic. There, this is done. Now the extra bit which is remaining, you will fold it inwards like this. Such materials fold in very easily. So there, fold it in like this. Adjust your lines so that they are even and they don't look uneven, and they don't look not done well and all. And this portion in the center that you see will all be stuck together using the glue. So we'll just open this up after adjusting, and then use glue along that end portion, the folded flap, and press it in this way and push it inwards. Now when you push inwards, ensure that your smaller side of the flap is in and the bigger side is overlapping. In this way, see, I have folded it. When you're folding, ensure that you do not have flaps over the other, otherwise your bangle will look uneven. Ensure your folds are neat. On the other side, when you fold it, the bigger flap, when you fold it inwards to overlap like this, ensure the same thing. Fold it in slowly, give it enough time so that the folds do not overlap or you do not have any wrinkles which will give the bangle uneven look. Now in case if you still have those fold over, let me give you a trick. Pull off the portion where it's folding and do a slight cut, not till the end, just before the end. Okay, and then you fold it inwards. So that cut will help settle the extra cloth so that there is no overlapping at the edges. Done. Now is the time for sticking. So in order to stick the flap which is overlapping, you'll have to first pull it out, apply glue on the inner side with the help of your finger or with a brush. See that you do this process well, take time, otherwise if any cloth is left without being stuck, it will not look nice. Also ensure the little bit which is coming over the other material from the inner side, that also needs to be stuck. In case if you do not have fabric glue like this, you can take the other Uhu glue or Fevibond, that also will help. Now I have got this line strip material which has a little bit of designer work. let me show you. Simple also, it looks good, but to enhance the beauty of the bangle, you can take this strip of design and attach it on the bangle. Also, if you have any beads, you can attach them as well, or glass work, you can do that as well. However, since I want to keep it light, at the same time, give it a beautiful look, I will attach this. Cut off how much you require. Attach clips to hold it while it's sticking, and that's it. This is how it will look when you add that same strip on the double length. So next time, if you feel you do not have a matching bangle for what you are wearing, this is a very easy idea to make one. Do let me know in the comments, how did you all find this bangle making process? And if you are new out here, do not forget to subscribe for more interesting hacks. I'll see you next time on Tip Lab. Bye.